sounds that you hate. But I'm an idiot, and I think they're really great. I doubt that you can handle one or two, much less all eight. 8 sounds that you hate. The men from the boys, they will surely separate. I'll tell you what they are. Guaranteed you'll go, yeah. I like fingernails on a blackboard. When people crack their neck or their knuckles. When I rub styrofoam together, that just makes me chuckle. 8 sounds you can't stand, which you could tolerate if you were half the man I am. Add to the list of 8 a fork and a knife, scraping on a plate, scraping on a plate, scraping on a plate. Here's one I really love. You might want to try it. Give me feedback in my headphones. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Little more over there, little more. Yeah, hey, sounds so unique. Now let's review so you can really, really freak. Fingernails on a blackboard. When people crack their neck or their knuckles, rubbing styrofoam together, 'cause it makes me chuckle. I like brand new sneakers on a gym floor, raising an aluminum window when a dentist is drilling my molars. That makes me say bingo. My voice singing on this record, utensils on fine china. If these sounds give you the shivers, that makes you a whiner. Hey, do you go nuts if someone bites their fork like this? 'Cause I love it. Here, I'll do it again. Do you have a nervous system left? How about the squeegee wiping a window while I crack my neck? Suffer, you wimps! Suffer, wimps! Oh wait, I got one more.